In this video, we will show you how to turn off vibration, autocorrect, and word suggestion on the Android keypad. When you have new Android smartphone or have you installed the Android smartphone, in here, when you try to typing using the Android keypad, maybe you will find annoying keyboard features like vibration when you typing the text like this, and when you type also there is auto correction or word suggestion like this. Okay, so in here you can turn off all this feature if you think it's annoying. Okay, how to do that? You can remove in here all of the text. Okay, for example, you can remove all of the text until this icon is appear. You can see the icon is in here. Just click this, and in here please scroll down and select more. In here, select input. You can see there is many customization in here. You can also turn off auto correction. Okay, show correct suggestions we will turn off also. Okay, and select advanced to open and turn off the vibrate on key press. You can see there. Okay, you can also turn off pop-up on key press. What is pop-up on key press? Okay, let me show you what is the pop-up for key press. When you typing the text, you can see there is pop-up appear in here. Okay, you can see if I type Y in here, there is Y after you type the text appear in above of the bottom. You can see there. Okay, we can turn off them. Okay, just click this again and select more and select input. Okay, in here select advanced. You can see there you can turn off pop-up on key press also. So there is many feature maybe annoying you can turn off, like also share data. We don't want to share data because this is privacy. For recommendation, also search suggestion we will turn off. You can see there. You can enable gesture typing. We will turn off also. We do just what we type, there is appear. No suggestion or etc. Okay. After that, you can type freely like this. This is our key press. No, there is no pop-up, no vibration again, and no suggestion again. Okay, hope this video helpful for you.